Hey, in this video, you learn how to get Instagram filters or Instagram effects. It's very simple. Here's how you do it. You basically click the plus button at the top corner of the Instagram app. You click on story, right? And normally what you would do is you would have this weird effect like this one, and so on. How do you get them? Well, if you have no effects, or the what Pokemon are you and so on, if you have no effects, you just swipe right until you find this browse effects option. You click on it, and then you have effects open, and you can have Instagram effects, selfie effects, and just download them. For example, this one, my tiny army, you just click on try it. You can try it on your own and maybe save it. So this is how we do it. If this video helped you out, give it a like. If you have any questions, comment them down below.